In this video, I will show you how to draw realistic eyes on a coffee-stained background using colored pencils. Begin by pouring coffee onto the paper to create an organic textured background. Tap and spread the coffee gently using your fingertips. Use a tissue to soak up excess coffee. Allow the paper to dry completely before drawing. Once the paper is fully dry, use a fine liner pen to draw and enhance the outer lines created by the coffee stains. These outlines help enhance the abstract background and create a frame around your artwork. You can follow the shapes exactly or stylize them slightly to add a more artistic feel. The contrast between the soft coffee tones and the sharp pen lines adds depth and visual interest to the final piece. Begin coloring the iris. Always start with light colors first. Use Faber-Castell Polychromos 187 to shade the lower half of the iris. Use 169 to fill the upper half of the iris, creating a soft base layer. Blend the two tones slightly where they meet so the transition looks soft and natural. This base layer sets the foundation for the depth and realism we'll build later. Add depth using 177, applying it layer by layer. Use small, circular motions for smooth blending. Work layer by layer, slowly increasing the richness of the color. Use 103 to create soft highlights and blend the lighter areas of the iris. Add more layers using 177 and 169, slowly building a smooth and uniform gradient. Patience is important here. Realistic iris is built from many thin layers, not heavy pressure. Mark the center of the pupil using 199. Start lightly and slowly build the value outward, keeping the edges soft. Blend the pupil smoothly using 177 and 199 together. Use a cotton bud to blend the colors of the iris for a soft, realistic finish. This smooths out any pencil texture and creates that soft, glassy look. Add final contrast using black for the darkest parts and white for the brightest highlights. This contrast is what makes the eye look wet, shiny, and three-dimensional. Start the first layer of the upper eyelashes with 175. Deepen the lashes with 199, taking your time to blend carefully. Take your time, lashes should look soft but defined. Shade the white of the eye using 101, then add shadows with 271. Remember, the sclera is not pure white. It has shadows and depth. Add those shadows with 271, especially near the corners and under the eyelid. Add the darkest shadows of the upper and lower eyelids using 173. Don't press too hard. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel. Use 173 to shade the darkest parts of both the upper and lower eyelids. Repeat the same method for the second eye. Follow these steps. Start light, build layers slowly, blend carefully. Avoid any harsh lines. Remember, adding colors layer by layer creates a smooth blend, a uniform tone, and a more realistic eye texture. Begin by softly laying down the base tones of the iris and eyelids. Using light pressure helps you correct mistakes easily and gives you more control over the final result. Blend carefully using circular motions and cotton buds to match the softness of the first eye. Add medium tones on top of your base color, then deepen the shadows little by little. This layering method gives your drawing depth and prevents streaks or uneven patches. Remember, layering is the key. Use gentle circular strokes to blend each layer smoothly. You can use a blender pencil or a cotton bud to soften the transitions, especially in the iris and the skin around the eye. Only the eyelashes and the pupil should have strong definition. Everything else, including the shadows, highlights, and skin texture, should be blended softly so the eye looks natural and lifelike. Apply gentle pressure. Soft shadows create realism, while hard pressure can leave unwanted, harsh lines. By adding colors slowly, layer after layer, you create smoother gradients, a uniform color tone, richer depth in the iris, and a more realistic eye texture overall. Take your time with this second eye to make it match the first one in color, shape, and contrast. Once both eyes are balanced, the entire drawing will appear more expressive and harmonious. Draw the eyebrow using 175 for the base strokes. Keep the front lighter and softer, while the arch and tail can be more defined. Deepen the shadows and define the hair using 199. This layering helps the eyebrow look full, textured, and realistic. In the next part, we will continue the entire drawing, adding the hair, the face tones, the skin shading, and all the remaining details that bring the portrait to life. So don't forget to watch the next part to see how the whole artwork comes together. Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe for more tutorial videos.